Shout out, Angel. Something? What something? I am Naomi from Philippines. I am a single mom. Single mother. Nice hairstyle. Thank you. What's my hairstyle? Is it not hairstyle? No style. Hello, hello, Camille. Hi. Share live. Pa-share ng live. Like. No like. Button like and vote. And also, please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. So you can speak English. English, guys. English. I want a money to end your child. So, what I'm going to do if you help us money? I don't have work here. I always stay at home. I'm moderator of YouTube female person, so I take your chat. Mayang gabi, madam. Shout out po here in Manila Airport. Pabiyahe na Qatar niya. Thanks. Oh, shout out. Shout out sa'yo. Take care sa biyahe mo. It's a journey mo. Take care. Take care. Kasi yung chocolate mo hindi dumating dito. Inaano mo lang. Pinaibo-ibo. Hindi mo man ano. Moderator. A moderator. So if you make me moderator of your channel, I'll help you to grow your channel. So how you can help me to grow? You share. And what happened to my light? My light is blinking. Knock yo, pag-shirt kama. Knock. I sleep in the sala. There's no signal at the room. How old are me? How old are me? Oh God. Yo, so I like you a lot. Thank you. Hello, 140. Ilang taon ka na, ma'am? Hello, John Obligar Mix Vlog. I am 42. You to stop them or I will help your channel in a good direction. Okay, no problem. What's this? How can I put? Wait, sorry. Sorry. Add as moderate. Okay. Kapahanin mo. Make me. Nagpa-slim na ko, nagsumba. Nagsumba ko kanina kasi siya. Don't believe, want to help you, lot of, yeah, there's a lot of scammers. If you help, you voluntarily not in helping, then want some, what you call it, return. It's a voluntary and you, it's not. What's snap? Snap. Hello, bakit ito may ano?